Philips Speed Pro Max Aqua. Learn how to use it. Here's how easy it is. Click the charging system at the back of the handheld. Get 55 minutes of runtime when fully charged. Tackle different types of dirt easily with the 360 nozzle. Clean narrow places easily. Pick up dirt and pet hair easily with the handheld. Clean curtains, ceiling, and hard-to-reach areas. How to use the vacuum and mop system? Attach the Aqua nozzle on the water tank and get ready to clean. Speed Pro Max Aqua enables you to vacuum and mop in one go. For tougher dirt and stains, use Aqua Boost. Detach the mop system to vacuum carpets. Remove the pad and empty the water tank. How to clean your dust container. Lift open the container lid and empty it in the trash. How to clean the filter in your dust container. Gently tap the inlay filter to release debris. Wash the foam filter and leave to dry. How to clean the brush. Use scissors to cut any trapped hair. Remove it and throw it into the bin. Philips Speed Pro Max Aqua. Powerful, fast, agile. Your fastest cordless vacuum.
Innovation and you.